бахчисарайские ковбои.
Это мои родственники мои. Байрамхан.
Good morning, everybody. We are back in the beauties here. Look at these hills. I feel like I'm in Switzerland sometimes. I've never been there, but from pictures that I've seen, just gorgeousness. We are at Nusia farm this morning, owned by Ed, I guess in English, and he's got Swiss cows and makes cheese, and apparently he is renowned and known for his cheese making. So I don't know, we're gonna try it out. Gorgeous sceneries from up here. We've been driving through some of the most amazing country these last few days, learning all sorts of stuff about agriculture. We're very interested in agriculture, of course, because we're agricultural based, but also just interested in learning new things. So cheese making is not something I did. I grew up on a dairy farm, but the way it worked for us, we milked the cows. Milk truck came every couple of days, picked up the milk, and it went away. And somebody else makes cheese or butter or yogurt or whatever they do out of it. We did not do that. And these smaller operations and what we're doing on our farm as well, we're hoping to make the products and sell them right to the people. So that's what this guy's doing. We're going to learn a little bit about that, and that's basically what all the people we've been meeting with this past week are doing, whether it's greenhouse growing, berry growing, apple growing, cheese farm now. Yesterday was a goat farm as well. It's really neat to see all these little farming families producing products and then getting that to you, the consumer. And it's good for you to know where your stuff comes from. So if you haven't seen the other videos, go back on the channel. We've produced quite a few of them now, and I hope you guys really enjoy this excursion. I'm hoping to do this more. I would love to travel through all of Russia and show you guys little highlights of agriculture. Character in some of these old buildings is really neat as well. Like it's old but new, and it's got a real historic look to it. Nice building. Here it looks like they're building a greenhouse. I'm super interested in this as well. I've been looking at several different designs. I don't like building things twice, and I don't like looking dumb. So I spent a lot of time researching first to make sure it's going to work before I do anything. I'd be worried about the point with plastic on it. So I'm figuring on doing it round. That's what I see with most greenhouses. But even if I was to build this just as a structure, I would like to price it out versus wood. I typically build everything out of wood, but in Russia I found that wood is actually a fairly expensive product. It's similarly priced to wood in Canada, which shocked me, versus concrete is much cheaper here than in Canada. So maybe I'd be better off to build out of concrete or metal. I don't know, something to look into. I have a little cafe here as well. Interesting stonework too.
Owner of this farm, Arend from Canada. Arend, Anneesa, жена его, дети, семья. 7 kids right here.
7?
Right here.
We have 9.
9 всего детей. Ого, вау.
No problem.
Я хочу 9, нужна бесплатная рабочая сила.
I want 9.
Yeah.
I need free labor. He said 12 years you've been working no breaks, no weekends. 12 years in a row.
Двух швейцарских коров чистополовых в одном предприятии.
By accident, he bought 2 Swiss cows
Потому что люблю просто самое лучшее, самое красивое.
because he likes them best.
Ну вот, и подходит рельеф местности.
And landscape just kind of fits the
Каменистый
cows.
грунт, у них копыта приспособлены.
Rocky road, good for cows.
It looks like Switzerland a little.
Похоже на Швейцарию.
Ну вот, Альпа,
Yep.
да, чуть-чуть смололи. Вот, и на племенном предприятии их 2. Одно старинное очень, еще поменьше, там вот племенных коров разводят, продают их где-то месяцев 5 беременности.
А
Вот
где
как они-
some kind of breeding grounds where they sell like 5-month pregnant cows, like certain breeds, like good ones, I guess. And Anneesa is selling Swiss cows too, but they're more modern than the first one.
Right, yeah, Econeva's got lots of
You know them
Я двух купил там, двух там.
from each company.
250 тысяч 10 лет назад.
250,000 per
Per
cow
cow, yeah.
10 years ago.
10 years ago.
10 years ago.
И дальше научился искусственно осеменять.
And then he did artificial insemination.
И теперь у нас 40 коров.
And
40
now
тел.
they have
Коров.
40
40
females.
So he's milking 40 cows now.
Сейчас вы доите 40 коров.
Нет.
Такие, которые молодые. Ага. So 20 of them heifers, so females who didn't have babies yet, and 20 of them milking
Milking
cows.
cows.
Все началось с всех 4 коров.
Ну,
Ну, плюс бык,
2
наверное.
не доехали с Эконевы. В аварию попали.
From Econeva they didn't make it. They got
really?
into accident.
Плохо.
Да. Новый коровник современный, через месяц переезжаем.
This is modern,
Brand new.
brand new.
Is he building another barn here?
Еще как будет строить вот там.
So that's this new cow shed here, and then this one over here is just gonna have a roof on it, just a place for them to walk outside, no walls.
Питьевое озеро, вокруг него пасутся. Там влажно, хорошая трава и пьют чистую воду.
Back there they have a pond with, clean water, so that's where they prefer to walk and graze, and it's more shade there, so cows
In the
like it
trees.
there. In the
Yep.
trees.
Yep. So does he doesn't leave them tied up at all? They're out pastured all year round?
Они все на свободном выгуле или привязаны.
Не, на свободном выгуле, но с пастухом, чтобы не спарились с местным боком.
They have free range, but they have person looking after them because they don't want no other cows involved, other bulls,
Okay. There's no fences?
Заборов нет.
Нет.
No.
Нет.
Ну, наша земля вот возле озера, почти вся наша.
It's almost all our land by the lake.
Ну, там, где не наша, не загорожено ничего, и тоже можно пасти все равно.
Even neighboring land, it's no fences, so you can let cows walk there and graze and eat grass.
All right, like so many others, there's not really an agricultural past. I grew up on a farm. My dad did, my grandpa did, his dad did, and Anneesa's the same thing. And a lot of people that we meet here, it's like first generation farming. So I think that's really cool. Somebody that's living their dream.
He used to be avid biker.
How do we get on this thing?
Yeah.
Man, that's a big motorcycle.
You gotta lean way over. Careful, don't knock it over. Imagine's gonna stand on me.
It's a big. How do people like run this?
Well, it's for a big guy, not a little guy. When you get taller, eh?
I guess, yeah, I want to get taller. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I see. Yeah. So brand new cafe.
Есть в меню здесь, это все натуральное, то, что мы растили сами.
Everything in menu, it's all natural, all coming from farm. Я немножко переведу, что у меня есть. Here's cheeses, Parmesan, Gruyere, Cheddar, Nusia, Tiltizer, Mozzarella, Camembert, Stracciatella, it's Italian. They have, here's menu, what they cook here, like avocado cheese patties, bruschetta, French omelette, crepes, pasta, carbonara, pasta with shrimp, pasta for kids with cheese, soups. They have milkshakes, coffee, cappuccino, hot cocoa, tea, compote, kvass, pizza, and desserts, cheesecake, and Russian cake. He's also drunk. He has many talents.
Okay, that's good. A man of many talents. 10 years ago he started, sorry? It was 12 years ago. And so where he just learned to make cheese from grandma? And
Откуда технологию узнали, как изучали все это дело?
2 курса прошел частных, коротких маленьких. А все остальное друзья сыровары книги.
He said he took like 2 private courses, very short one, just basics, and
Okay.
Rest of it he learned from friends.
yeah. And then trial and error?
Yes. And методом проб и ошибок.
Нельзя не ошибался с первого.
No?
Don't make any mistakes.
Я начинал в своем домике, у меня там деревянный домик с моцареллой на крюке.
He started in his little house. He started making mozzarella in his kitchen.
Okay, and then like aged cheeses, how do you learn to do that?
Как вот, вот выдержанный сыр, как это, да, как это
Мне просто надо было делать сыры, любят длительную выдержку, потому что реализации нет. Я просто делал и складывал.
Oh, he just was making it and storing it.
Okay, trying it out. Very cool.
Просто русские люди очень мало кушают сыра, потому что нет культуры.
That we really don't have cheese culture. Russians not accustomed to it, so he didn't know. But now it's more and more like more educated, traveled more, so they know more about it.
Right, more different varieties.
Посмотреть статистику, она есть в интернете. Сколько на душу населения американец поедает сыра в день, и сколько русских. И там 2-0 разницы.
So it's interesting statistics, and you can find it on the internet. How much cheese like average American eats a day, and how much cheese average Russian eats.
Does he know?
He said it's 2 zeros in between.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Very little. Very small.
More tvorog here and smetana.
Здесь больше творог, сметана.
And, we don't eat tvorog.
Сало.
So.
Salad, like fat, you know, pickled fat. kind of
Okay, yeah, we don't eat that either. Yeah. Interesting.
Сало тоже не едим, говорит.
So this is neat. I've seen these tractors only ever here. A tractor with a dump wagon on the front. But I've never seen one with a bucket. Did he make this, or is this original? I've never seen one with a bucket on it, with a loader on it.
Он говорит, я никогда не видел, говорит, с вот этим.
Сейчас уже не выпускают.
Said it's the 80s.
Он сам себе грузит и самосвалом высыпает.
Said it's loads, and this one lifts up.
Yeah, I've seen these, but I've never seen a loader.
Не видел вот. Как он называется, даже не знаю.
I like these. They're kind of neat.
Said it's for me.
How many horsepower?
16.
That's it? Wow. Again, we see biosecurity in action. It's very important. There's been a lot of family farms that have just gone bust because of a lack of biosecurity. You're bringing in diseases or bugs from another farm. You don't want to do that. So it's very important to have security. And everybody does it differently. At the goat farm, we step through a disinfectant pad, and this one we're going to put on booties. Most of the trash you're bringing in is on the soles of your feet. Yeah. Any kind of pathogens, so the boots help. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. This is the cheese cool room. Ducks love making cheese, so it is in my heritage and my culture, I guess. Although nobody in my family that I know of has ever got into cheese making.
Здесь часть нашего сыра. Часть нашего сыра.
It's just part of their cheese making program.
Мы сейчас делаем 50 килограмм сыра в день.
They're making 50 kilograms of cheese a day.
50 kilos of cheese. How many liters of milk does that take?
Сколько литров молока это?
Сейчас 500 в день. 5 килограмм получается.
There's 500 liters.
500 liters for 50 kilos.
Швейцарский пармезан, ему минимально нужно выдержка 3 года.
It says Swiss Parmesan, have to age for 3 years.
Okay, minimal.
Minimum. 3 года он должен лежать вот так.
Переворачиваем.
Ну, понятно, да.
Is it covered in wax?
Воском покрытый или чем-то.
Вот трещинки, когда возникают, такие влажности не хватило, воском покрываем, а так вот
Said no, but if you have little cracks, then they put wax on it, on this part.
It will be what on it? Oh, they put wax
little
on.
crack-
Oh, yes,
cracks,
yes, yes. So they make the cheese, they set it here, and then they have to flip it once in a while.
Yes.
How often?
Как часто вы переворачиваете?
молодой свет каждый день, чем старше, тем реже.
The young cheese every day, but as soon as it ages, it's more seldom.
Okay.
We can go round.
Okay. Look out, kids. Okay, what's going on here? This is brand new.
That's new cheese. It's in salt.
Why?
You have to put it in the salt water.
So all of these cheeses were in salt.
Они все были фрезерованы. Yeah.
And how long?
This is just part of the process. About 1 week for one.
1 week for a wheel.
For
Uh huh. And that's some.
This is so it is.
So on some of them they have markings, like this one they started in March of 26.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I like.
As long as you remember it's
Just
some.
look at that so I can.
Yeah, this one. So he was just saying he got markings on them. So like this one is from March 3rd, March 26th, third month of 26. And they stamped them. There's no wax on these, it's just cheese. So what you're seeing on here with cheese is actually mold. I don't know if you knew that or not. So it's actually molding, but different areas have different types of mold spores, which creates different flavors of cheese. So there are some cheeses out there that cannot be made in other areas. I'm going to ask him about that soon because certain ones are distinctive to certain areas where those mold spores only grow. Even have that on, boy, that sucks. Okay, try it all over. This is, start it over.
Spanish ham.
Yep.
And he originally packs it in salt. He put salt in, put this in, salt all around it.
So it's not cheese.
No,
This is actual pig.
Yes.
Pig meat hanging here to cure.
Coming from their own pigs.
Okay, and how long does it have to hang here?
Сколько занимает процесс? At least a year. Like this? A year. This is 2 years.
2 years hanging there. Wow.
So how long does he salt it before he has to make
В
it?
зависимости от диаметра,
Depends
веса.
on weight and shape and ну, примерно.
Okay, but something this size.
Например,
Точно не скажу.
can tell you
Есть
that
формула.
they have formula where they figure out by weight.
Такой кусок, допустим, около
And this one,
10 дней.
10 days.
If he hangs it too long, it would
No,
not
that's
taste
just
good.
salting it.
Yeah, but if he left it in the salt too long, it would taste no good. Or
Если, например, слишком долго оставишь в соли, ну, это уже будет неправильный процесс.
Есть два вида посолов. Первый это из расчета 26 грамм соли на килограмм. Просто солишь его и все будет. Это техника верная. Второй
Two ways to, curing by salt. First one, it takes 26 grams of salt per kilogram.
нитритная соль, специальная для мяса.
Like special salt for meat with nitrate.
uh,
А второй способ посола, когда крупную соль, ну так условно, крупной солью засыпается полностью кусок. И сколько мы еще так не пробовали, по первому способу, не солится, несмотря на много.
And second way, they bring big chunks of salt and they put it in big chunks of salt and it takes several days. They usually use first way. They haven't tried second way yet, but they will.
Задача соления вытянуть как можно больше влаги оттуда, и все заразу.
The purpose of putting it in salt, take all moisture out.
okay, yep. Does he smoke meat too, or does he smoke anything too, or not? No smoke? No. Alright, so he does a Spanish ham hanging here. He salts it first, and that's all a special formula by weight. So each one's different amount of time that it needs to be in the salt. After that, it hangs here. So this one's been hanging for 2 years. No, 1 year already. So very cool. Very cool. We got locked in the cooler, but thankfully there's people on the outside. Pardon me?
So this one says 856. So does that mean it was started at 856?
Well, it can't be. Yeah, I don't know what that one is. Because he said 26 was the year, but that's not from 1956. There's no way. He just started 12 years ago. So 2006? Maybe 8th month? No, 8th day, 5th month? I'm not sure. Very interesting. Different kinds of cheeses here. Very pretty. So the building itself is fairly simple. All right, you need air conditioning and a good insulated building, and then some shelving. There you go. You can build some. I'll take a photo or two. You better back up a minute. Oh, we can take them after the kids are done looking, I guess. But. Yep.
Don't pull on it.
The feeder.
You like the rabbits?
Yeah. Is your feet already?
Я ошибок делал очень.
So if you have any questions, you're welcome to in the future to ask him,
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you.
because he don't want you to have any financial losses. And
Oh, neither
it's
do I.
easily,
It's easy to lose money in farming.
Right.
If we have any questions in the future, call them.
Вот это каша у коров стоит, там 3 вида зерна, мел.
So it's like their feed. It's
Grain
three,
and hay.
three grain and meal. Like calcium.
И подсолнечниковый жмых.
You can pet it, but don't get all
And meal from the sunflower. Remember we were
Yeah,
talking about
I
meal?
feed that as well. Yeah.
3 раза в день они кушают кашу.
3 times a day they eat it.
Сколько килограмм?
2,5 максимум, за один раз можно дать корове. 2,5, больше нельзя, иначе будет изжога.
2.5 kilograms per meal. That's max.
for milking. So 5 килограмм один день.
В день. 5 килограмм, нет.
Нет,
7,5.
6 килограмм.
6 килограмм,
в день.
да.
3 раза. Если больше 2 килограмм, то у них ацидоз изжога
But more
начинается.
if you give more than 2 kilograms, they have a heartburn. Cows do.
Ночью сено 3 раза даем, они кушают круглосуточно.
They have straw 24/7.
Hey,
Hay. Сено, hay.
Soloma is
Solomon
straw.
straw, yeah, you're right.
Very good. Now they never stay in here overnight. They're always outside.
Ночью тут они здесь ночью? Или... Yeah, at night they here.
Okay. And does he have any trouble with the wood,
Проблемы какие-нибудь есть?
with bacteria?
Бактерии? Вот, на...
Бактерий нет.
Нет.
No?
Бактерий нет. Ну, уборка вручную, тяжелая, сложная, потому что неправильная
labor.
конструкция.
Yes. Right now, mine are all sand, песок,
У него песок.
but it's which is really nice, but it doesn't work in a tie stubber. It's a big mess. So.
Большая, говорит, это куча мала, много грязи.
Коровы грязные, потому что ступенька здесь, она
They
должна быть
dirty.
высокая, такая,
Supposed to have
15
a
сантиметров,
step, 15 centimeters.
чтобы она какала сюда.
So she, put her poop in here.
Тогда убирать легко, и корова
It's
чистая.
easier, to scoop and cow
неправильно.
stays healthy.
All right, this is where he ties them up here for milking, and they stay here at night too sometimes. And beautiful calves, just gorgeous. This is what I would have liked as brown Swiss, but they were too expensive for us at the time. So we were just spent a bunch of time discussing the stalls. So he's on wood. I've considered doing this, and then because wood is natural, it's not so cold. Concrete's really cold. Anyway, and then a rubber mat on top for comfort, because our sand stalls are not working out. So I was asking him about that, how this is working, and I may end up doing something like this in ours as well. They're going to pour some milk in the vat. We are going to head off and check that out. Don't want to keep them waiting. Go. Yeah. Tank here for 500. Do they make cheese in this?
Вы сыр там варите?
No.
Yeah.
So they pour 500 liters of milk, or can hold 500 liters of milk in here to make cheese. Again, we got the, I love this idea. We've seen this at the last farm too, and it's the bottom of a shower for a sink. Never thought of it. We're going to be doing that at our farm. So it's cheese press, individual buckets, set them inside of here. And he's got, this is just an airbag from a car.
Амортизация автомобильная.
Put air inside of it, it'll press this all over into cheese.
Да, по мамометру он все четко.
Monitor, air pressure. He makes this himself? Did he design this?
No, he said he got idea from friends.
It's a good idea. All right, so I got the milk in these jugs, about 30 liters per jug. And then from here, they're going in the milk tank.
Водохранная дорога. А водохранилище так жарят. Андрюха жаловался.
Дайте, пожалуйста.
Нам не хватало.
Иду.
Ah, that's what that is. Все? Сколько час?
Это в 4 часа после обеда, так сказать, будет готов пармезан.
So then at 4 in the afternoon our parmesan will be ready.
Oh wow.
Так быстро?
And how warm does it get?
Насколько температура поднимается там? Или она
Сейчас пастеризация идет, 64 градуса, 30 минут поддерживается.
Okay.
64 degrees for 30 minutes.
And that's
Потом
it.
поднимает.
They might have cut the dogs strange to keep them where they need to.
He's just watching them down there? Is he bringing them up, or what's he doing?
Is there kids? Their kids are kind of getting by the
Oh, you got a shepherd there watching the cows.
That's just chasing kids.
Pretty. Do you like these cows better than our cows?
No,
No? I actually think they're prettier.
I like the black and white fish.
Yeah, eh? Well, that's good because that's what we bought. I kind of prefer the brown Swiss.
Pink.
Hey?
So no, they're pink.
Oh yeah, that'll go away though, right? Sure is a beautiful area though. So peaceful and calm, no road traffic. It's nice. Alright, we weren't gonna walk this close, but we decided to do it anyway. Эй. Ну хорошо. Эй. Не хочет. Не хочет. Ай. Just be careful if she starts to push. Hmm?